Hi guys, it's Jenny, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'll look a little bit different as it is the first week of December and we are definitely into winter. Officially it is winter time now, although in England it's been winter for quite a while. I really wanted to do a just different makeup look. Like every year I usually do like some Christmas inspired makeup look, which I'm definitely going to do still because I've got one in mind that I've wanted to do for a very long time now. But I wanted to do something that was just different and a little bit extra, I guess. And I really just wanted to like play around and have fun with makeup because I feel like I haven't done that in quite a while. So yeah, so this is the look that I came up with. It's kind of like Jack Frost ice queen inspired. Look at that highlight though, oh my god. Yeah, so it's kind of like inspired. I don't know what I'm going to call this video. I apologize for the really crappy lighting in this video. It is literally, it's 1:45 in the afternoon and it's so dark and just miserable outside. Like it's so gloomy, it's raining and cloudy and just, yeah, it's so dark. So I have got my ring light on, but yeah, it's making the lighting just seem really weird. Also I think whoa, I can't stop looking at my eyes, like they look so weird. I kind of feel like an alien. Like this look kind of turned out kind of weird, but yeah, I didn't have like the right shades of blue. I feel like they were just too green, but I like how it turned out. I think it's very cool. So yeah, enough rambling from me. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below, and yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. Let's get into it, shall we?
Since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. fire.